What's going on YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz with a Z. And for today's video, man, I got a pair of these AJ11 lows called the Navy Gun Bottoms. Came out 2016. These bad boys need a lot of plucking. The rocks is underneath from the pavement. Man, we gotta get them out. We gotta get these bad boys washed up, ice clean, and let's get it. After putting that dab sauce and that saran wrap on the bottom, you want to ice these bad boys for about 24 hours on each session. Keep doing it until you get the best results. And let's see. Z. Due to the age, it seems like I got a chemical burn, which is not true. It's just because the sessions was 24 hours apiece. So it seems like there was something that went terribly wrong. But actually, the longer you wait, after the cure time, the shoes will go back to normal. So don't panic through this video, man. And if you made it this far, hit that like. Drop a comment down below on what you think, man. But like I said, Georgetown Lows is what I want to call them. But the actual name is Navy Gun Bottom Lows. 2016 versions, man. I ended up selling these bad boys for $80 and I bought them for $30 out of this little random store, used store. I forgot the name of this freaking store, but hey, you're a real one for watching. Make sure you subscribe, drop a comment, maybe we can collab. Your guy, TopDownKickz with a Z. Stay tuned to the next video and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.